Hey everyone, welcome to NoCodeCraft. Today I'll show you how to build a smart sales form in Google Forms and automatically track the total sales amount in Google Sheets without writing a single line of code. This is perfect for anyone managing sales, inventory, or simple order forms. Step 1 is building your Google form. Head over to formsgoogle.com and create a new form. I've named mine Sales Record. Add the following fields: customer's name as a short answer text, customer's email ID as a short answer text, salesperson as a drop-down, add the names as per your team strength. Product type as a drop-down here as an example. I have taken electronic devices such as laptop, phone, tablet, watch, earphones, headphones, cable, and charger. Lastly, add quantity as short answer where we will use number validation. Step 2 is linking the form to Google Sheets. Once your form is done, click on the Responses tab. Click the green Sheets icon to create a new linked spreadsheet or link it to an existing spreadsheet. Here, I will be linking it to an existing spreadsheet for illustration purposes, but you can do it as per your own convenience. This link will automatically log every new form response into Google Sheets. Step 3 is creating a pricing sheet within the workbook. In the same Google Sheet, create a new sheet tab and name it Product Pricing. Here, list all your products and their unit prices. For example, I have listed the product price of a laptop at $50,000, phone at $30,000, and so on. This way, you don't have to hard code any prices. They're all pulled from this sheet. Step 4 is to test and visualize this into an asset. Let's test it. First, let's fill in the form with sample data. Let's say the customer's name is Sahil, their email ID is Sahil Saha, the salesperson who made the sale is Priya, the products bought by Sahil are phones, and the quantity he bought is 20. Open the response sheet and you'll see that the data is already entered here in the third row, and you can now build dashboards, charts, or even automate summaries from here as the data is simplified. I had already filled in a response for illustration purposes, hence the data that we just filled in came to the third row. Step 5 and the last step is using XLOOKUP to autofill the total sale value in the form responses sheet. In the form responses sheet, add a new column, total sale. In the total sale column, column G, use the XLOOKUP formula. Here, the search key would be the corresponding product type as filled in the Google form. The lookup range will be the range of your products in the product pricing sheet, and result range would be the price of the products from the product pricing sheet. Multiplying this result with the corresponding quantity as entered in the form will give us the total sale amount. Do not forget to add these dollar signs which lock the selection and do not affect the result when dragged down or up. Now every time someone submits a form, the product price is automatically pulled and the total amount is calculated based on quantity. Note that you will have to drag this formula as I am doing right now for the second entry. And that's how you turn a basic Google form into a smart sales tool. No coding, just logic. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more no-code builds right here on NoCodeCraft.